Well, I guess everybody's wanting to know where I've been for the last 4 or 5 days. I have not been able to post a video due to no Wi-Fi. Last time I was out in Yuma, and then I came here, and it has been non-stop. Today's our number 4-day QUARTZSITE here show until the 29th, and we were here. It's been busy, busy, busy. Most of it's been more inquiring of what these things are. It's like that it fell from the sky and nobody can figure out what it is. We're getting people saying this flimsy is going to fall apart, it won't make it. And I'm like, well, I did drive it here from Tennessee, but it does. It's new. It's a new concept that people aren't used to seeing. And I didn't know how well it would go over because we're in RV country. RV countries, you know how they are. They're all decked out with all these tanks and all these amenities inside. Our homes are not like that. It is an RV. It is RV certified, but you don't have to have all the fancy cabinetry and all the beds and all the stuff that's in an RV. I haven't even really been in an RV in a long time to even know what's in them, but I know they're fancy, and these aren't. But there's $20,000. You got a 16-foot home for 20 grand. You got a 20-foot home for 25,000. It's got a fully functioning kitchen, fully functioning bathroom with a flushable toilet, right? These are tricked out with some off-grid compost toilets. So anyway, it's been kind of an eye-opening for people coming here and seeing what we're doing. But I think the biggest thing is having people, they're thinking, I can live in this for 20 grand? I can live in this for 25? So if you're still in the Quartzsite area and you can drive here, come from Phoenix, come from a couple hours away, come here. It'd be worth your while to see how we got this thing decorated, what it looks like, and how they're built. And of course, go to our videos previously. We've got over 2,000 videos. You can go back and look at what we're doing. Hey, couple things I wanted to let you know, because I'm not in Tennessee, but I am in contact with Tennessee constantly all the time. Tom and I and the girls and the people we're working, so I'm in connection with them over the phone. But we do want to tell you that we have decided to develop Buffalo Creek. All right, right now a minimum starting out is we'll have about 100 lots right now. Construction will begin here probably in the next 8 weeks. We're doing the engineering. We're doing how we're surveying. This is going to be a little bit different. We are still to have the contracts and the paperwork set out is going to get all that together, because we may go with a PUD. But what I wanted to let you know, and that's a planned urban development. But what I wanted to let you know is because there's such demand, a place to put your tiny home. People can't find a place to put their tiny home. As you guys know, on the mountain, that's a mountain property. If you're new to this channel, go back and look up the mountain property that we're developing. It's very costly. It's not like the Grove and the Prairie and the beach that I've developed before that was about at $10,000. Across the street, my cost just to put the power, the water, the sewer, and all the roads and get all that done, we're looking at close to $30,000 is what we're facing for infrastructure costs. So what we're doing is we're offering those lots at $30,000. Now, there will be a residual monthly fee because it is private property, and as it grows and as we have to take care of the roads, you have to take care of everything there. It's not you're just not buy a lot and you're gone. It's on county roads. This is a private community. So really it's $300 a month to live there. Your $30,000 is to get you on that lot. Now it's either we deed the lot, we don't know if we're going to deed it or not, or you got the lot. As long as you live there, that's your lot, right? As long as you pay your monthly rent and you sign a 1-year lease every time just to renew your lease, you're there. But the thing is we're trying to look at doing a PUD where you would get maybe a deeded parcel and then it shows it's yours. So we're looking at, now we have sold over 300 homes and leased all these lots out without giving any kind of description of ownership on these lots. People who come, they built their decks, they live in there, they're staying there, they're home, right? And that's what we want to do. We want to make sure that you're home. Well, right now this demand is so much. So if you're interested in, and you know me, and you know my development, you know what I've done in the past and how we've done all this, we're taking deposits, we're taking full payments on these lots. If you want a lot in the Buffalo Creek, you tell us, we'll sign you up. We got a minimum right now starting out as 100 lots. I know not everybody wants to live in Tennessee. I got a lot of people here who love the desert. This is the different concept. So it's a mountain community that's going to be cost money to get it built, right? It costs money to make it happen. Not everybody wants to live there, so it's not going to fit everybody's budget and I understand that. But this is just one parcel mountain. It is gorgeous. We've done videos on it. It's on a mountain. It's a private community. And if this is going to suit you, please give us a call. We are going to feature our woody line over there. We got 8x24, 10x24, and of course our model lines. All of our model lines, just add $30K to the price of those homes. Will get you in on Buffalo Creek. All right. So these are some notes that I'm taking for this. I want to get you guys out and get this rolling, because I can't tell you how many people here said they're going back to Tennessee and they want to live in Tennessee. And I know financially people are in different places. $30K, there's no way. I'm not going to pay it. Well, think about this. You got water, power, and sewer. That's electric, power, city power, water, and sewer. That's on that lot. All the infrastructure's there. If you go out and buy some land right now, you're going to pay way more than that. Than buy the land, put your driveway in, if you have to drill a well, put a septic system in, all that, right? So just think about it. If it suits you all, let us know, and we'll put one of our model homes or a woody line on it, and that takes care of the mountain. Other thing is that we got 2 more shows to go to. We'll be in Raleigh, North Carolina in February. There'll be another show in San Diego in March. And I've just talked to a couple guys. We may stay out west here and keep going to some shows up in Northern California and some Washington and Oregon. I'm looking for land developing out here. So it's real exciting about reaching out to all this, right? We have people in all these different financial places in their life. We got people that are living with $1,500 a month, Social Security and retirement, and they can't afford the Buffalo Creek. Totally understand that. That's why I'm looking at other places that we can develop. It won't be like the mountain. It won't have the features that mountain has, but it'll be a place that you can reside. My whole mission is to be able to rent these homes, these lots out for $200 a month. And you say 200, why is the mountain 3? Well, the mountain is a mountain, and believe me, anytime you go up on a mountain, it is costly. We'll constantly be managing the roads, taking care of the roads, the water, the trees. It's just a costly development, right? Now, if it was flat out here, you can see there's no trees, there's nothing we got to worry about. Just redo the roads, and we can maintain that really easily. That's why we only charge $200 a month. So there you have it. I hope you guys have been watching. We've been trying to get some video, but I can't get it up because we have no Wi-Fi. But Carson's here filming this for me, so we hope to upload this, get you guys some update of what we're doing. After everybody's gone today, I'm going to show you the house that I'm staying in while I'm here at the show, kind of what's been going on. I'll like talk to you about the solar, what I've been doing, how I've been living. And then from here, I'm probably going to go to Vegas, and then from there, I'll be going back home. So just wanted to give you guys an update. All right, this is kind of weird, but I'm all done here. And people, you know what it is? I got to tell people about what this thing is. So when they come in, they're like, where's the great water tanks? Where's freshwater tanks? Where's this, that? And I'm like, we have this. And they said, don't come with it? No, it's 20 grand. Well, you mean it's just a box? No, it's not just a box, but they're used to an RV having all that, right? Well, then you're going to pay $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 for an RV. So anyway, you have to constantly be talking to people and explaining them, because it's a new concept. Not everybody knows what's going on here, and it's a DIY. It's something you got to paint, you got to put wood on it, you got to put, or you don't have to, but if you want it to look like something different than what it does. So anyway, I'm gonna go back here, help these folks out. I'll be here till Sunday. If you want to come down, sit down with me. If you want to buy one at our show, we're doing specials. You just got to sit down, and I got to know what you want in this house, and I'll make you a deal, more of a deal than you would if you just called us in Tennessee, because we want to do some offers just for the show. All right. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for all the people that's come by that's been watching the show and supporting me and telling me how much they like their show and what we're doing. So continue to do that. If you do come see me, I can't get enough encouragement to know that we're doing the right thing. All right, everybody. Have a great day.